In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours. Yes, this is actually a new method smart creators are using to get subscribers, views, and get monetized. But the problem is that they don't want to tell anybody. They don't want to share it because it's actually a secret. But in today's video, I'll be exposing that secret and I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know. And the best part of this strategy is that even if you have more than 1,000 subscribers, you can still apply it to gain more subscribers. And it's actually very easy. So the thing you need to do is to watch from the beginning to the end of this video. Make sure you watch from the beginning to the end, because if you miss any part of it, then this strategy is not going to work for you. And don't come back later and tell me that the strategy did not work for you if you didn't watch from the beginning to the end. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you everything on how to go over it.
So now the first thing is you are going to head over to your YouTube app. You are going to head over to your YouTube app. Then we are going to look for any of your video. Just look for any of your video that I've already uploaded on your channel. You are going to click on it. Then once you click on it, the next thing is you are going to click on that icon. Then you click on remix into short. So we are going to click on it. Then you're going to bring. You are going to click on remix. Once you click on remix, then click on edit into short. They are going to wait for you to process. The next thing is you are going to cut the hook of your video, the part of your video that is engaging, that is interesting. That is the part you are going to use. So you are just going to cut it for, I think this my own is for 15 seconds. So I'm going to cut it. Then I'm going to click on process. Then this is it. Our video has been cut down into short. This method is actually very good because it's going to help you get subscriber, because so you are going to give your short a name, a title. So you are going to click on the title so that people are going to know what your short is all about. So I'm going to say, let me say the short is how to get more subscribers fast on YouTube. That's the short we want to make. So I'm going to keep our title. Now the title are going to use a red color. Please make sure you are following everything I'm saying, because if you miss anything, any part, it's not going to work. So I'm going to give the title a color. The next thing is you are going to still give it another this thing text. The next text is you are going to click this link below to watch. And the text, you are going to use a green color for this one. You're not going to be using the red color. So we're going to say click this link below to watch, so that when people are watching your short, they'll you have already directed them that they should click below the link to watch. I'm going to show you how to put the long video, your long form video link. I'm going to also be showing you that. So just wait. So we're going to say click the link below. They're just going to edit it, make sure it fits into the video, because this method, in this way, if people are watching your short, they're going to be directed to your long form video. In that way, you are going to get subscriber and watch hour. YouTube, they push you. It's easy for you to grow with shorts. Yeah, so you need to know how to utilize shorts in order to build your subscriber, in order to build your long form videos. So this is actually very easy, and it's a new feature YouTube just introduced. So I'm just going to wait for it to process. I've actually used this feature to actually got my channel to over 800 plus subscriber, and it's still counting. This is what I'm using, and a lot of big YouTubers are also using. Now the next thing is you are going to give our short a title. This is where YouTube optimization come in place. You need to learn how to optimize your title so that YouTube is going to know what your video is all about. So you're going to give our title the same title you used in the video. That's the one you're going to still use. So you're just going to say how to get subscriber fast on YouTube. And remember, take note, always make use of hashtags when you're uploading your shorts. Hashtags are very, very important. It's very important that you make use of hashtag. So I'm just going to say YouTube growth, YouTube SEO, YouTube monetization, stuff like that. If your video is not, if you are not making video about YouTube growth, you can use hashtag related to your niche. So now I'm going to click on relatable video. Then we're going to look for that video, the video where we got the shot from. So I'm just going to look for the video. I'm going to click on it. I see the video is here. In that way, if people are watching your short, they'll be directed to your long form content. That's easy. So the next thing is you click on upload and you are good to go. So now I'm going to be showing you another setting. This one is you are going to be using trending sound. like it's very very important. So you're just going to look for any trendy sound, then click on use this sound, then you just react to the sound, just show some facial expression, and there's nothing really there, just show some facial expression. And once you are done, you click on next. So we're just going to show some facial expression, and that's it. This is the new method you can use to get subscriber very fast, because trending sound are sound that people love using. Those sound already have a lot of views, and so if you use those sound, people that watch the main video, they'll be directed to your own video. In that way you are going to get a lot of subscriber. Go and try this one out too. So once you are done reacting, you click on next. It's going to process. There is the same thing, it's going to bring you over to this interface. They are going to use the same title that is being used in the sound. That's the same title you use, and the same hashtags, so just everything. So in the title is how to treat through comments. Then once you are done doing that, you are going to upload your shots. So I'm going to give you the title, then you're going to use hashtag. Like I said, the hashtag is always good. So you are going to use the same title, the same hashtag they use in the video. So it's going to say hashtag funny videos, hashtag relatable shorts, stuff like that. There's a lot of hashtags to use. Then once you are done, you click on upload short. You click on upload short. So you're going to try this, and you're going to see yourself growing very fast on YouTube. And I want you to leave it in the comment section which of this method you're going to be trying.
So now we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, I want you to please do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I upload another video, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Thanks for watching. Till I see you. Peace out.